Let's just show them. No, we can't do it. Just show them. But no. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E. And I wasn't going to make no video, but I guess something is better than nothing, because I was supposed to record a video of me doing what I'm supposed to do, what I'm about to get a little update about. And it's not about the Traverse, because my co-worker done dropped off a car, and we're going to get into all that. So stay tuned. But before we get into all that, I said it wasn't about the Traverse, but I'm going to show you, get a little update on the Traverse as well as the other car. Because while I was waiting on him to drop off the other car, you know, when they talk to you, it's about, oh, I had a car over there Friday by 5 o'clock, and you like, what? Then they don't drop the car off till Friday night. Then they like, I'm gonna have the motor Saturday morning. Then they don't got no motor. But we're gonna get all into that after I'll show y'all what I was doing while waiting on the car to be dropped off. So here y'all go. I was actually, while I was waiting for my coworker to drop off a car, I was actually sitting here learning how to remove a dash. Steering column. Still got to get some more stuff removed. Maybe I'll make a video of this. Maybe I won't. But y'all know I got to get to that wiring harness and do this whole thing all over with again at the junkyard. So I got to know how everything goes together, how everything comes apart. What consists of the wiring harness. So I got to take the whole wiring harness for the whole freaking car to go away to the back tail lights, or is it going to be a disconnect from the main wiring harness that comes from under the hood? That's what I'm trying to find out. And if so, what does all that entail, detail, whatever you want to say? Because this car has a tow package. I would like to get a car that has a tow package, wiring harness, because then everything works. Fuse boxes, I think all the fuse boxes should be the same. But maybe I might get another fuse box. I can't really tell because this fuse box was melted. But I do got another car. I can take a picture of that fuse box and go from there. Because I haven't made the video of the parts car yet that I'm going to take the motor out of and do the timing chains on that. But like I said, we still got more to pull. I still got to get all this off. See, I already pulled out got that stuff ready. Hot wire. This wiring harness that comes from the inside of the car has to be replaced. Of course, with the engine wiring harness, but that should come with the donor car. I'm gonna need a new hood release because the cable is stuck or broke, whatever. Seized up. Because that does not move. I don't know if they doused this car with water or not. But I don't see a lot of water damage. There's a lot of fire extinguisher everywhere. I did blow it off. Still got to clean this all up and get some paint and get it painted. But that's not right now because still got more removal to do. Cleaning to do. Before I get to ordering some paint and repainting this engine compartment. The cowl. But those seats were a pain because there is an airbag in them and you got to unplug that airbag. Like you got to go all the way to the airbag that's in the side bolster of the seat to unplug it. And that's the seat belt tensioner right there. Like that's kind of a bad design. Had to go all the way up in there. There's another airbag in the dash. which I pulled the wires out of it and removed it. Then I found out it was a disconnect down over here on the side that you unplug. You got to fish the wire out and pull it through the top. Another pain in the butt. But let's go check out the car that got dropped off. Here it is. It's a 2015 Toyota Camry SE. The plates are expired. This car has been sitting since 2019 when it had catastrophic engine failure. Need new tires in the front. She needs a lot of work. I can open up the hood for y'all, but we ain't doing that. I was just hired to do a motor. They waited all these years, met up with me. They found out I got a YouTube channel, and I call my little cuzzo, and he been putting cars over here left and right for me to work on, but they don't take care of their car. Well, I ain't gonna say that. It's about maintaining your car, because it's Tahoe. The rear end just went out, and that was an accident. They was partying in Indianapolis and put the car in 4x4 and was driving around in 4x4 doing crazy stuff you should be doing in 4x4, because your turn radius when you got the 4x4 on is a little bit wider, and he would turn it tight to where the tires would lock up, and something got damaged in the rear end and the differential. But I'm trying to make this video short and sweet, because this is why I don't get a lot of my cars done. But you see, I did what I was supposed to do. The engine is out. Now I'm just waiting for another engine to replace it. Gotta find what I do with these keys. Inside is okay. They only got 122,000 miles on her. There's the engine right there. Like I said, waiting for a donor engine before I start taking the wiring harness off. It was kind of hard to pull out because it has no jacking points. I call it jacking points, where I can hook my engine hoist up to and just pull it on out. So I got a chain right here coming from this corner. We got another chain coming from underneath down there. Then we got a seat belt coming from the catalytic converter manifold to help pull it on out. And that's why I'm going to drop the other one in just like that. But the engine failure is right over here. Hope y'all can see that. You can see straight through the motor. I don't know what cylinder it is. So it could be cylinder 1 or cylinder 4, but she blew the rod. And it blew right through the motor. But the car still was running. She was able to make it home before the engine finally gave out. To never start again. So y'all see that? It blew out the oil filter housing is gone. Oil pan is dented. And this was a pain to get out. But that was like my fault, because I did not jack the transmission up. So the transmission fell a little bit on that side. We thought it was motor because it kept getting stuck right here. I could have just jacked the transmission up back into place where it's supposed to be at and pull the motor out. But we still got her on out without breaking anything. But like I said, I'm waiting on him. He's lucky that I'm working on the burn traverse, so I'm not moving cars around like I'm usually is. But we do got a lot of cars to work on. And I do got another subscriber that wanted me to take a look at his car. He got a Pontiac Torrent that need a motor dropped in. I did contact him. He contacted me like a day later. He might see this video, he might not. But by the time he see it, it'll probably be 2 months later. So I'm trying to contact them back and work something out. But I'm always busy over here. I try to stop what I'm doing to help other people. But when those people let you down, then you like, screw it. I'm just going to do me. And I've just been doing me. You get in where you fit in. If I say drop a car off, you drop the car off. At least text me back. Not a day later. Because I got a lot going on around here. I got my bills, co-workers' bills, stepkids' bills, family friends' bills. Everybody need their cars worked on, and they come to me because if I don't know what I'm doing, I will go get the knowledge that I need to get your car repaired. Easy. It's called the worldwide internet. I will research everything, use my scanners, and find the best way to fix it myself and do it right the first time. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Short, sweet, don't know how short. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers, whoever might need this to see this video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. If you're in the local area, hit me up at my email address. There's all links in the description area below. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!